Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some jerk Guinness wings. Yes, I'm telling you, this recipe right here is gonna be super delicious. You all are gonna enjoy it so much. I know jerk chicken wings is already nice, plus with the Guinness I'm gonna make a sauce to go with it. I'm telling you guys, don't forget to share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget also to give me a thumbs up, okay? Thank you all, much love. So in my bowl right here, I've got 1 pack of chicken wings, and these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of jerk powder seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, and that's my wet jerk marinade right here. And guys, I have a video on my channel on how I make my wet jerk marinades. You guys can go and check it out, or you can also buy them at any Caribbean shop, African shop, even online. Okay, yes, and I'm using just over 1 tablespoon. If you want it to be more spicy, you can always use more. Yeah. So guys, I add at least 2 teaspoons of my olive oil, and the olive oil is just gonna make your chicken wings to be nice and moist, and it's gonna also make the seasoning to stick on the chicken wings. Yes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna blend up all my seasoning. I'm not gonna use all of my seasoning. I'm gonna leave back some for my sauce, okay? So I'm gonna firstly add my wet jerk marinade, and I'm gonna also add 2 teaspoons of my dark soya sauce. And this dark soya sauce, guys, is just gonna give it some color. If you don't have dark soya sauce, you can always use browning, yeah, but just a little bit of browning. You don't need a lot, because you know browning is really dark, so don't use a lot. So I'm just gonna sprinkle my seasoning on my chicken wings. So this is the amount that I leave back, okay, for my sauce. So now I'm just gonna take my nice clean hands and just massage it all in. You want to make sure that everything is all combined. Guys, it is all finished seasoning, and look at it. As you can see, it is nicely seasoned. So what you can do, you can leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, okay? But if you don't have the time, guys, you just cook it as it is, because as long as you season your chicken or whatever properly, it will still be delicious. Just make sure that all the seasoning is all over on your chicken wings, okay? Yes, look at that, perfect. So guys, here I have my baking tray right here. And to my baking tray, I add a grill on top, as you can see. And I also add some baking paper at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add at least 1/4 cup of water. And you wanna also make sure that you add some oil on your grill so the chicken doesn't stick, okay? So now I'm gonna add my chicken wings to my grill. And as you can see, guys, I did cut my chicken wings. If you want, you can always cut yours, but I rather, you know, do it old. What you can do, you can just add the remaining seasoning on top of your chicken wings like so. And I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 25 minutes to 30 minutes, okay? And 180°C. So guys, I just removed my chicken wings from the oven, and it's been in the oven just over 30 minutes. I'm telling you guys, it's looking super delicious. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it over, okay? Because you want the other side to brown up. But what you can also do, you can also, you know, like tip your baking tray and pour some of the liquid on the chicken wings, just for it to keep nice and juicy. So now I'm gonna flip it over. Oops. As you can see, the other side is looking white and you want it to brown up. So I'm gonna put it back in my oven, guys, for at least 25 minutes, okay? Nice and juicy. Every one of them is all turned over. So I'm just gonna try and pour some more of the liquid. Then in the oven it goes. Stay tuned. So guys, these are all of my ingredients to make my sauce. So here I have ½ cup of Guinness. I also have 2 tablespoons of my honey, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and these are all of my remaining seasoning. I'm telling you guys, this sauce right here is gonna be super delicious. It's gonna go perfectly with the chicken wings, may I tell you. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe, because I know you all are gonna enjoy it. And don't forget guys, if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? Yes, stay tuned. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add all my ingredients to my glass bowl right here. So I'm gonna firstly add my Guinness. Just like so. Then I'm gonna add my ketchup. And my honey. Gonna add all my remaining seasoning. And to my remaining seasoning, guys, I add some ginger powder. I add at least ½ teaspoon of my ginger powder. And the ginger, guys, is just gonna give it more flavor. I love ginger. Then I'm gonna add my sugar. Yeah. Then I'm gonna stir it. Make sure that everything is all combined, okay? And I'm also gonna add at least ½ teaspoon of my wet jerk marinate, okay? Try not to add a lot, otherwise it's gonna be too spicy, unless you want it to be, you know, really spicy. So guys, this is totally optional, but I'm just gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my barbecue sauce. That's it. And I'm just gonna leave it to the side, okay? Guys, here I have my pot on the stove. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my sauce. So my stove is on a low heat for now, okay? So I'm just gonna pour it in. Look at all that goodness. I'm telling you, this is gonna be so good. So guys, what's gonna happen is gonna become thick, but you don't want it to be super thick, okay? I'm gonna turn up my stove just a bit more higher. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for at least roughly 4 to 5 minutes, okay? You can always taste it to your liking. If you need any salt, any all-purpose seasoning, any more jerk wet seasoning, you can always add. So guys, this is how the sauce look just after 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see, it's boiling up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add. So guys, I'm just adding some fresh thyme, okay? Just a small amount. And it's just gonna add more flavor also. So I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for 2 minutes and it is ready, okay? As you can see, it's becoming thick and this is exactly what you want. I'm telling you, it looks so good. I cannot wait to add it to my chicken wings. And as I said, you can always taste it to your liking. If it need any all-purpose seasoning, you know, whatever it need, you can always add. If it need any more ketchup for it to be more thicker, you can also add just a bit more ketchup. So guys, my sauce is finally finished and this is what it look like. I don't want it to be too thick, guys. I want it to look a bit runny. If you want, you can always leave it a bit longer for it to be more thicker, but this is perfectly fine, okay? So I'm just gonna turn my stove off and just leave it to the side. Yes, I just taste some and it tastes real good, guys. It tastes super delicious, so good. And you don't have to do this sauce with only chicken wings. You can add it to pork, you know, you can add it to fish, whatever. So guys, my jerk chicken wings is all finished. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add it to my glass bowl right here. Then I'm gonna add my sauce. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is nice and brown. And this is exactly how you want it. Look at that, perfect. So guys, this is the fun part. Now I'm gonna add my sauce. I'm gonna take my brush and just brush it on. Look at all that niceness. Guys, may I tell you, this recipe right here is a must try. The sauce is absolutely delicious. Trust me, it tastes real good. It's a bit spicy, but trust me, it is nice, so good. If you want, you don't have to add so much of the jerk marinate. You can just add, you know, just a tiny bit, but it all depends how spicy you want it to be. Look at that, guys, so good. I hope you guys can see it properly. This is like food prawn. I'm gonna put it back in my oven, guys, for at least 5 minutes. So the sauce will stick on the chicken wings. You see the other sides look a bit whitish, so you want the other side to have the sauce on it, okay? Now I'm gonna add my sauce. As I said, in the oven for at least 5 minutes. And it is all ready. So guys, my chicken wings is finally finished and this is what it look like. As you can see, the sauce is all stick on my wings and this is exactly how you want it. I'm telling you, it came out perfect. It looks super delicious, so good. My mouth is watering. This recipe, guys, is a must try. You all are gonna enjoy it. Super delicious. I'm gonna plate it up, so stay tuned. So now I'm gonna plate it all up. I just add some lemon slices just for presentation. Super delicious, guys. Look at that. So good. I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. Honestly, it is so good. I'm gonna add some more of my sauce on top. I'm gonna add some scallion on top. And this is all for presentation, guys. You don't have to do it unless you're impressing someone. And there you have it, guys. This is how I make my jerk Guinness chicken wings. I'm telling you, it looks so good and it came out perfect. Guys, if you try this recipe, please don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. Share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Guys, honestly, I work so hard just to get this video out for you guys. So please share to all of your families, to your friends, everyone on your social media, guys. Honestly, I'm in my kitchen right now. I'm hot, guys. But guess what? I have to do what I have to do so you guys can get the recipe. So please support. And if you have been supporting my YouTube channel, I thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all. Much love. So guys, just before I go, I'm just gonna taste some of my chicken wings for you all. And honestly, it tastes really good. The sauce is everything, guys. The sauce came out perfect. I give this recipe 10 out of 10. It is mouth watering. The chicken wings is so juicy. Honestly, you're gonna enjoy this recipe, guys. And remember, if you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love.